Let's take a look at an old school issues register in Excel and how we could innovate this further. I see a lot of organizations relying on tools like Excel and Word to track issues and actions and email things around when it could be done differently. So rather than just this Excel document to track issues, what could we do differently? Well, I'm in the browser and I've gone to an issues log that I've created in Microsoft Lists. So this is now in the cloud, in the browser, accessible to whoever I've shared it within the team, and it's a living document that they can all edit and update. I love to go edit in grid view and simply work through the issues and items that I need to check and update. I can click on one in a specific field and select different options from what's provided. I could change the status, or potentially I could also, if I want, change the priority. So I can easily work my way through this issues register, updating different fields across the project. That was really easy to work with, and you know what? It took me about 2 minutes to create. So let's have a look at how I built it. Going into the Office 365 portal, or the Microsoft portal online, I went to my All Apps and I went to Lists. And when I go into Lists, I simply just quickly created one. You can see that I've got my 2 issue trackers here that I've built in the past. But to create a new one, I just select New List. And then I make a choice. I could do something like import the old Excel issues log, or just create from scratch. So you can actually import from Excel and pull in your issues log to work with it in Lists. And you can also use a template. So look, there's even an issues tracker here for you. So when I select the issues tracker, it shows me an example, and I'm just going to click Use Template. To be honest, the hardest choice is probably what color do I want it to be. I can add some information, select icons and different things here, choose where I'm saving it to, and then simply create. So I now have an online Microsoft list that's our issues tracker, and I can quite simply start adding items. You saw how easy that was to build, straight from a template, and as you can see in here, all I did was then add a few example items. So moving from our old school Excel document into Microsoft Lists makes a really modern, innovative way that a team can track issues and easily access the information when they need to.